big story right now, and that's coming out of Maharashtra. Are there rumblings in the Maharashtra government over the extended lockdown and the manner in which the COVID-19 pandemic has been handled by the state? Remember, it has been the worst affected state right through. A series of meetings has led to speculation that NCP Supremo Sharad Pawar is unhappy that his suggestions to open up Maharashtra gradually have not been implemented more actively by the government. Now, both parties say the COVID-19 pandemic and its impact on the state was discussed at the meeting that took place at Matoshri, the residence of Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray. Now, the meeting has been confirmed even as BJP leaders now talk about the possibility of President's rule in Maharashtra. Saurabh joining us at this point with the latest on all of that. Saurabh, politics now clearly hotting up over Maharashtra's handling of the pandemic situation. But what is the latest we're hearing?
Well, Ankita, let me give you a timeline that will put things in perspective. And this timeline sort of begins yesterday morning. Now, yesterday morning, Narayan Rane, a BJP leader, met the governor. Now, after coming out of the Raj Bhavan, he made a statement saying that Maharashtra needs president's rule. Then you have Sharad Pawar, the NCP chief, along with senior NCP leader Praful Patel going to meet the governor. They come out and say the railway minister, that no politics was discussed, but the state and the corona pandemic were discussed, and they described it as a courtesy meeting. Now, I'm going on to say that, look, Sharad Pawar hasn't met the governor since the government was formed. But again, many were questioning why the timing of this courtesy meeting. Then, of course, you have Sharad Pawar going to Matoshri, the residence of Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, in the evening. And this is the first time Mr. Pawar has gone to Matoshri since the government formation. At least that's what political, observers say. But that is something that will again have to be confirmed. But in all of this, in the series of meetings, now there is political speculation that perhaps not all is well within the Maharashtra Vikas Aghadi. But Sanjay Raut, the Sena's spokesperson and who many give credit as being one of the architects of this alliance, who's, during the time of the elections last year and the events that followed post the elections, he was one of the most vocal voices that sort of articulated the Shiv Sena's point of view and was also constantly in touch with Sharad Pawar. Now, he has, of course, confirmed the meeting and tweeted saying that the meeting took place for 1.5 hours and that the government is stable, then there is nothing to worry and two leaders can meet and discuss issues, especially when they are running a government together. This is, of course, the gist of what has happened. But beyond what is said in official speak, what is being speculated is the fact that Mr. Pawar is unhappy over the Maharashtra government not opening up Maharashtra more actively. The Shiv Sena seems to have taken a stance where a cautious opening is being advocated, while Mr. Pawar says that there should be more opening up, especially of factories and these and other activities should resume, and economic resumption is of key importance for a state like Maharashtra.
Right.
But beyond that also, is there a chance of the government sort of being toppled? Not yet, political observers say, but clearly there is, some sort of political development that has led to these series of meetings that have taken place in Maharashtra over the last 24 hours.
What about the pressure that the BJP is also now exerting? I mean, we've had leaders like Nitesh Rane, for instance, share video after video of, body bags piling up in hospitals. Even, it seems, talking about, invoking president's rule in Maharashtra. So, are there worries on that score as well?
When I was speaking to someone senior who covers politics, the one thing that they said was that, nothing in Maharashtra politics happens without the knowledge of Mr. Sharad Pawar. He's kind of the political, figure in the state whom everyone would take into confidence. So any kind of attempt to sort of topple the government would have to come with the blessings of Sharad Pawar. And that is one thing that's clear. But will Mr. Pawar indulge in that kind of politics at a time, especially after such a bitter sort of, last few months, especially between the NCP and the BJP and the Shiv Sena?
Right.
That is something that perhaps is still in the realm of speculation
All right.
even now.